we have a noise we're trying to track. One of our hypotheses is that these bushings that hold up the exhaust are bad. And so we're just gonna go ahead and replace these. See, here's the new bushings we have. There are 2 of them. And we're just gonna try to figure out how to replace them, because honestly, no manual on how to do this. I'm not honestly sure how to do it. Let's see, this is scaly. It's less than ideal. I'm not sure how to go about this at the moment. I imagine that's gonna be how that's gonna go. Just don't know how we'll get this up there. God, stuff's falling off this damn thing everywhere. Rocks and whatnot. See how I might be able to get it on pretty well. Yeah, this is an interesting dilemma. I don't know how to get this bushing.
Oh, I see exhaust bushing.
Yeah, we have the different. We have the new bushings. I gotta figure out how to get rid of the old ones first. Yeah, that seems to be what I gotta do.
Is that the muffler or the catalytic converter?
That's a good question. I don't have an answer for.
I presume it's the muffler, but...
I'm just not sure how that is going to come out of there. Anyway. I imagine it's a little bit of give and play. Like they both got to be on. Pliers just does not. fit in here very well. Doesn't help things. Sorry about all you have to help, and I'm not sure how you can help me right now. Something. A lot dirtier under here than I expected it to be. I thought I washed it pretty good, but apparently I didn't. Oh, did you call for sneeze? What was that?
Sneeze.
Bless you. How do people do this? So, I mean, it's in there. Figure that this is gonna do the same thing, right? Like, gonna pull this somehow through there. I'm gonna have to see how a different set of pliers that might work. Alright, let me keep trying on this. A different set of pliers is a little smaller. Thanks to Nate, so I got these. And indeed, these do fit a little better. Like dropping tools on yourself. Ah, man, it was so close. Almost had that one. Okay, made some headway. See what these do, Nate, is they'll like lock in, so I can open them up good ways, and then I can get them to kind of lock in place. The problem is, will they fit how I need them to fit? The answer is it doesn't look like it. Okay, so get them to lock and attach. Oh, I don't know. We'll go with this other one. It's any easier to mess with. Set up a much better location. You see it right up there. Here. I don't know what this is. It's like fire coating or something. Man, I should have started with this one to begin with. This one's way easier. Perfect. I should have started with this one. It was easy. Get some confidence going. Let me see here. These. See, everything's the same. Question, how do you get this thing on once you got it off? Who knew bushings would be so difficult? Maybe we just start, can we start with this and then rotate it around? There's not enough play. So we've got to start it here. On there at least. Just a little bit. It's way too far. How the hell would we push that on there? It's like I need a much bigger wrench than I have. Hey Nate, can you grab me a hammer?
That ought to be easy enough.
Throw it on, wiggling it. This thing, it should go on there. I'm wondering okay, so that definitely seems to have helped move that, which is perfect. So now I can use that on the other one potentially. And then if I can just gotta get it to go the rest of the way over that bulb. It's so close. There it is. There it is. Alright, that's one. Alright. One down, one to go. I'm gonna put this back on too. It's on there for a reason. It's so close to the muffler. I imagine it can get hot. Assuming, since this is all wrapped like this, it's something to protect this rubber from the heat. So we were using the hammer. The hammer did some good stuff for us. It's not doing a whole lot of nothing. Just an awkward hammer. Get it up.
Okay, that's good.
See, the exhaust doesn't move a whole lot. And see, the exhaust is literally resting on that. I mean, that's the noise. I don't know how to rescue that noise. So like, I can pull this down. Why can't I make it go in the opposite direction? Come on. There you are. Whew. All right. Have that one. Now, so got it free from this. Just need to pull it off of this one now. Finally got it up over that hump. Maybe I should just be able to work it off now. There it is.
Yeah.
So here's the problem. That bushing, this segment right here, was up against that. And that's the noise we're hearing. So basically anytime we went over a little bump, it just shook it. And so hopefully when I put this new bushing on for here, it either is a little less giving or it kind of keeps it away from that spot. If it doesn't keep it away from that spot, I'm not sure what to do about that. It's always these awkward angles to put this stuff on.
Yeah.
Because why would it be easy? Okay, so it's on that one. Now, naturally, gotta figure out how the hell I'm gonna get it on that one. Because the exhaust doesn't have that much play. Huh. Maybe I should have done the exhaust one first. Or the static one first, and then the exhaust in play. I don't know. I wonder what happens if I... Yeah, see, this one doesn't squeeze nearly as much, which is great and bad. So, how the hell am I gonna get it on there, boy? Oh, me neither. But I'm farther along than I thought.
Yeah, that's good.
If you had asked me 5 minutes ago how far along I was gonna be, I would have been like, I don't think this is happening. Persistence pays off.
Yep.
When it comes to exhaust bushings.
Yep.
Hey, it's on.
Yes.
We got it replaced. Look at that gap.
Oh yeah?
Ah, yes, it doesn't hit it at all. That's gonna solve that noise.
Oh, and
We're gonna go on a test drive later. Maybe out on the beach and see. I'm just so excited about that.
Done in the time frame that we thought it.
All right, so Nate and I just got done changing out the bushings for the exhaust, didn't we, Nate? And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna run over to the beach real quick, because that's the most reliable spot that we've found to really make the noise. whatever that noise is still here. Well. Try this side.
I feel like we're getting a lot of footage of your arm. I'm gonna move the camera a little bit.
Yeah, you can direct that for the moment.